A SpaceX rocket launched back in 2015 is finally reaching its unexpected destination, the Moon. After drifting through space for more than a decade, this Falcon 9 booster is now on a confirmed collision course with the lunar surface. Today on Asteroid Station, we're breaking down what's about to happen when this real SpaceX rocket slams into the Moon on August 5, 2026, and why scientists are actually excited about it. This booster isn't from a recent mission. It's from the Discover launch on February 11, 2015, a mission designed to monitor solar storms and space weather. After completing its job, the booster didn't have enough fuel to return to Earth. Instead, it drifted into a chaotic orbit between Earth and the Moon. Astronomers tracked it, lost it, then rediscovered it. And now, they've confirmed the booster will hit the Moon on August 5, 2026. This is not a simulation. This is a real, predicted impact. As the booster approaches the Moon, lunar gravity takes control. There's no atmosphere to slow it down. No drag. No parachutes. By the time it reaches the surface, the Falcon 9 booster, weighing over 25,000 kilograms, will be traveling at nearly 6,000 miles per hour. The impact is expected on August 5, 2026, around 5 to 6 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated, depending on final tracking refinements. When the booster hits, it will carve out a brand new crater on the Moon's far side, likely 20 to 30 meters wide. There won't be a fiery explosion like in movies. Instead, all that kinetic energy transfers directly into the lunar surface. A massive plume of dust and rock will shoot upward, then fall back down in total silence. Because the Moon has no air, no wind, no sound. The Moon has been hit by asteroids for billions of years. Compared to those, this booster is tiny. The impact won't damage the Moon, shift its orbit, or affect Earth's tides. But it will leave a fresh crater, and scientists love fresh craters. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter may photograph the new impact site sometime between August 7th and August 15th, 2026, depending on orbital timing. Earth won't feel anything. No danger. No tidal changes. But the event will make headlines worldwide, especially around August 5th to 6th, 2026, and raise questions about tracking old rocket stages in deep space. This impact is a reminder that space hardware doesn't just disappear. Some of it drifts for years, even decades, before reaching its final destination. As we send more missions beyond Earth orbit, tracking every booster and spacecraft becomes more important. This real SpaceX impact is dramatic, but also scientifically valuable. It gives researchers a rare chance to study how objects strike the Moon today, not millions of years ago. If you enjoyed this breakdown of a real lunar impact, hit subscribe and join us here on Asteroid Station, where we explore the universe one impact at a time. And remember, the Moon has been hit for billions of years. But this time, the impact comes from us, on August 5, 2026.